Want to turn your passion for photography into a booming business? Using just your camera and ChatGPT? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use ChatGPT and YouTube together to supercharge your photography business, promote your December portrait sale, and create stunning videos, titles, thumbnails, and more with zero editing experience. Section 1. Leveraging YouTube plus Chat. Let's start with the basics. YouTube isn't just a place to post cat videos. It's a goldmine for photographers, if you know how to use it. Prompt: how can I use YouTube to increase my photography business? ChatGPT suggests: start your channel, share your knowledge, showcase your work, collaborate, promote, engage. And for those saying, it's too late to start a YouTube channel, nope. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time? Today. Section 2. Promote your holiday sale. Got a big holiday portrait sale coming up? Let's use ChatGPT to help you showcase your portfolio and promote your December bake sale themed family photo offer. Prompt: what's the best way to promote a family portrait sale on YouTube? ChatGPT says: create a dedicated video. Highlight your offer. Add music and visuals. Keep it short and sweet. Include a call to action. Solid. Now let's have it write the script. Section 3. Chat writes your video script. Opening shot: a golden sunset. A family walking on the beach. When it comes to family photography, capturing those special moments is everything. Then boom, your company name, smiling clients, upbeat music. ChatGPT even ends it with your logo, call to action, and the perfect fade to black. It's basically your personal creative director. Section 4. Titles and thumbnails that get clicks. Let's make your video clickable. First up, SEO-friendly titles. Prompt: write SEO-friendly YouTube titles for my December photography portrait sale. ChatGPT returns gems like: holiday family portraits, don't miss our December sale, limited time offer, December family photo shoots. Don't want your business name in the title? Just tell it. ChatGPT adapts fast. Now let's talk thumbnails. Ask: how do I create an engaging thumbnail for my portrait sale? Use bold colors. Keep it simple. Add a holiday vibe. And test a few versions. Remember, your thumbnail is your first impression. Section 5. Location and authority-based promo. Want to stand out as the go-to photographer in your city? Try this prompt. Write a video script for a family photography promo in Los Angeles. Emphasize we're the #1 studio in town. ChatGPT gives you beach shots, happy clients, Hollywood sign, and your flyer front and center. Voiceover in the script. Our team of experts is dedicated to making your experience a memorable one. What are you waiting for? Book your session today. Now you've got content plan, a sales-driven script, SEO titles and scroll-stopping thumbnails, and a virtual assistant who never sleeps. So if you're a photographer or any business owner really, and you're not using ChatGPT to power your YouTube, what are you even doing? Just remember, the better your prompt, the better your result. Smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for more AI-powered content creation tips, and let me know in the comments what your next video idea is, and I'll help you write it with ChatGPT. Subscribe, more tips every week.